Ghana qualify you call World Cup no na uko street no so a amanfo ka se coach no on said anya de enti one ha there is a divided opinion say sa ye de call World Cup ra onkutwaga one ha Ghana be free group stage na ai sana amanfo eka na obeku asa se troni kase ba ko right can come bodu e de na no ato sanse obeka say right there if you Ghana free Afcon I be qualify I bank qualify no mu gina no say yen sack coach no nya de I say after say Ghana qualify no can come bodu adwen s sakakra still na bi mu see yen sack no but can come bodu adwen s and o pray na okuposti we a good Facebook o say mamem potom ma e brofo ini kind no obo ketekwaku coach na baso e na obo obi abaso mamem ka so obo coach Black Stars abaso ketekwaku mu de omo tare ho na o say congratulations to the Black Stars. Truthfully, some of us didn't really believe in Otto. Could do better. I say he could do better, but he's done it. Congrats, Otto. The reason for, I say there is reason or there is room for improvement. Asama can come where you can. I say some of them no mun jinin di kra. No congrats say wait me a qualify. No there is room for improvement. The stage is definitely bigger. Also, World Cup stage in the year is bigger, and you need to work on yourself a bit. But in the meantime, let's enjoy and celebrate this qualification. I say, in the meantime, the NG Coach Otto will have to work on himself, because stage in a year World Cup I must say 2026 World Cup is going to be the best World Cup ever because USA, Canada, Mexico, Niakoma, boom. And at this time around also, I think say a net 32 teams be 41 teams. Now, what I say, kudos to Kurt and his men for believing in Otto when he deserved the sack after failing for qualifying to the Afcon. I say obebo ketokwe and then a squad na because omuji ni di so beti wa ye adwuma no. It got to a point that Otto deserved to be sacked. Otto was na we obi a was nka sack no but o man sack Otto. So obebo mabaso on that regard. Enti ohwe kaka modu nsem a wo kan a ase opese o kire se yema coach ne chance na or improve going to the World Cup. Nemo no anopai meba no menam street no so ba no master amanfo say eye waye bi wo dey qualify yen kopɛ top class coach bit say South Africa for coach no ene hwan mo so hu no na amanfo cannot street no so I don't know whether it is early this year that we wait me there also adwen traba.